Yeah, we believe that these are worms. And do we know if they are alive or dead?
They look pretty dead to me.
Yeah, maybe they are dead.
I don't know.
We will see.
Can we
We are
scratch
not
around
quite sure.
So we want to grab some of this stuff?
Yes.
Yep.
Bob wants that. This is the
Offering
first
us.
time that we saw tube worms. Yeah?
Yep, that's
In
the
this,
first that
in
we've
this
seen.
location. Yeah. We will try to get them
Okay,
and then
sniff.
we will measure the temperature.
Going in.
Wow.
They do look alive.
Those
See
are
So
on the
alive.
nice.
They
Those
are
Yeah,
are
those are
alive.
live.
On the
Yep.
See on the right
Yeah.
there? Just go to the right there.
Right
Look
to
at
the
that.
right.
There we go.
Wow. Perfect. So nice.
All right, zooming out to keep it in frame.
And the worms live at higher temperature than bacterial mats, say Professor Ballard.
Going all the way in now.
Wow.
Wow,
Nice. Nice. Look, look, look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, look, look, look.
It's looking, it's coming out.
Yes,
saying,
it's coming out.
hello.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yes,
Well done,
yes.
Max. Yes, man.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. We are waiting.
Wow.
Ah. Difficult.
Nice. Nice. Coming out.
Ah, perfect.